welcome to Stay Reckless.
What's up, boys? We got a banger for you guys today.
Today we have a few things going on. We're first reviewing the big car whistle thing that's been going around that everyone's been trying to see if it actually works, but you rarely see videos on YouTube of people actually reviewing it, so we're going to order it and try that out.
Guys, we also have a race going on towards the end of the video. Toyota Avalon, we got beater runs going. Toyota Avalon versus
Honda Civic 19 something. It's, if you saw our second video, or first, I don't even remember.
It was one of the videos.
First, we had our boy Benny. He raced Patrick's Camaro. Obviously, Benny got destroyed because it's a stock beater. But we have a rerun now, around 2, with the Avalon and the Civic. So you guys get to see that at the end of the video. So stay tuned. We haven't ordered the part yet, the little whistle thing. So we're gonna order right now. So let's get into that. All right. So let's see. We have. We want to start with Amazon.
Amazon's fine. I'm good with Amazon.
Amazon usually has everything we usually need. Boom, there we go. Beautiful. Alright, so around 20 bucks, 10 bucks. Best sellers, a $10 one. Really low stars though. Not looking good. Kinda wanna get one with like, that's gonna have
these reviews
more than 2 stars. Alright, so best one so far is this one, but it has 1 review, that's why. Alright, let's go with this one. This one got 2,000 reviews. We have a chance with this one. I absolutely dig it. Haha, very funny to fool people on my 91 thinking it's turbo. You think it really makes it sound like a turbo though?
Probably.
There's no way. That little whistle?
It might.
Alright, screw it. Let's just go for this one. Add to cart and buy.
So yeah, guys, the video will continue when the part gets here. It should take about 2 weeks as it's not Amazon Prime shipping.
3 weeks.
So,
but the video's gonna just literally trans over when we get it. Yeah, alright. Alright guys, so the whistle has come in finally. It took around like 2 to 3 weeks, felt like forever. But let me show you guys what it looks like. Look at this. So this is the whistle right here. We gotta put it together. I gotta take it out the packaging. But it definitely looks cheap. We're gonna actually use the Supra because if you put the Supra in comfort mode, it literally makes no sound. It's like it has eco mode in a way. But we're gonna attach it to one of the exhaust pipes because it's dual, and we're gonna see if it actually makes a difference. Oh, let's test this out and see what happens. I think we just put it in like this.
Is it recording? Yeah, it's recording, Kirk.
And then you just, this guy said it's recording. Of course we're recording. Watch the thing fly out while we're driving.
It's gonna fly out. I'm ready for it. I think you do need that other screw so it stays on though.
Oh, look.
That's loose as fuck, bro. That is not staying on, dude. I'm telling you.
Why? Why is it so hard?
That's what she said.
That's my joke. Damn it, Dwight.
Just be the simple things, you know? Really just be the simple things. I really gotta watch a YouTube tutorial on how to screw a freaking...
No, dude, we're not doing that. We'll just take the L.
Right, I'm tired of taking it.
Like with the ramen.
That was bad. So this is our boy, he just pulled up. We gotta flex the Avalon a little bit. I've never seen an Avalon with tinted rear lights or anything like this.
And you debadged it too, bro.
Yeah, it's dope.
It's a piece of shit.
But it's dope though. I mean, and my boy got no tread, so you know he's racing. No tread whatsoever.
I make 268 to the wheel.
268? That's not bad. Oh, he's gonna dust Benny. He's gonna dust Benny bad. Sheesh. Alright, so now we're gonna go and we're gonna turn this sucker on in comfort mode. I'm just gonna fly by and we're gonna put the GoPro right here.
Don't go too fast.
We're not gonna go too fast. We're gonna go fast enough so you can hear it.
Let's hear how this sounds, guys.
I think it fell out.
No, it did not.
Yeah, it did. Oh my god. The hardest part of this whole video is keeping the whistle inside. Bro, the whistle literally flew out. I'm dead. Oh my god.
Bro, peep this. It flew out of the car when he drove off.
You try installing this, because obviously I'm not smart enough. Clutch with the tools. We would have screwed. All this was probably something that's really not even going to work.
It's not even getting on there.
Even with the tools.
I think this is an L, guys.
I need to loosen that bolt.
Damn, that shit is
Not right.
This is why you don't buy cheap shit from China, guys.
not working.
All right, well, you see that? Well, guys, that's the end of our video for today. Obviously, you guys got to see it didn't work. But from what I've seen, I actually saw on YouTube, it really doesn't even work. It's a little whistle. But we have a race for you guys. We have my boys here, Avalon. And we have Benny from last video. He's coming up with his Honda Civic. So you'll see the two. They're both stock. You're pushing
268 wheel.
268 wheel, and it has straight pipe, right?
Yeah.
268 wheel, straight pipe. Benny's is
Garbage.
from the junkyard. But we're going to make it happen, and let's get into the race. Before Benny comes, we decided that I'm gonna race his Avalon because we get two Toyota perspectives, or two Toyota racing, whatever.
268 horsepower to the wheel.
268, 400 Supra. We know who's gonna win, but it's gonna be funny as hell and fun before Benny shows up because Benny's late as usual. So we're gonna get the lineup, and yeah, let's see how this goes.
Round one, fight!
Damn! Buslings! Dude, that was like 3 buslings. Wow.
Y'all, my name is Phil Bespinel. I drive a Supra, and I'm also the winner, and I claim New Jersey. That's just what happened. You know what I'm saying?
I thought I was driving in automatic.
You missed gear?
I didn't miss, but I stayed in one for too long.
God damn it.
Yeah, because I got him from the jump. I mean, he's fast, but
Yeah.
I forgot to shift.
Yeah, it happens, bro. Round number 2, boys. Here we go.
Round two.
Oh, this is close. Never mind. What happened? Did he stall? Oh, he stalled. He fucking stalled. He stalled.
I'm just gonna run it up.
He stalled.
Final round, fight!
Hi, Benny! Damn, you're a little late! Welcome back, Benny! The fans have spoken. They want you back. This is your competitor right here, my boy, meet Benny. Alright, so let's go over the HP. What you pushing?
Maybe 110.
But he drives manual too.
He definitely gonna win for sure.
No, it's not. Bro, we went over this. The weight reduction. Look.
Hello.
Look at all this. Custom hood, bent for the wind, you know what I'm saying? Bro, you got this. We believe in you. See, last race was bad because, like, you raced Patrick. Go!
How much you weigh?
How much does it weigh?
This man don't nothing.
You might have him, bro.
You think so?
Yes.
Benny, this might be your comeback season, boy. Episode 2. I think you got him. You just got, I mean, it really depends on who's gonna shift the best.
Driver. Remember.
Yeah. I think you got this, Benny.
100%.
Well, let's go see. Let's get the lineup going.
Civic on Civic. No, wait. Avalon on Civic. It's gonna be like turtles racing, literally.
3, 2, 1,
Fight!
go! Oh! That was really close! No way!
Oh, this is close. Oh!
That was so close, he's like stupid on that. Oh my god! Benny really, yo, that was stupid close. That was crazy. Yo, you lost? Dude, that was good stuff, dude. You were so close. We're running it back, dude. We're running it back. Yo, Benny, I know you feel good. I know you feel good. That's a V6. I told you got this. All right, boys. Round 2.
Number 2, boys. Here we go.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, Avalon might got this one.
Oh, Benny. Benny got fucking murked. Benny got fucking murked. Jesus Christ. Good shit, my boy. You're a disgrace.
It's an L, isn't it? It was an L. How bad was it? It was pretty bad. Big gap. All right, Benny, this is your last moment to shine. The first race was good, so you have a chance. You're doing good. I believe in you, bro. All right,
Final
3,
round.
2, 1,
Fight.
go. Oh, Benny got it. Benny got it. No way.
No way. No way. No way. Oh, the top end power got him. He had him at first.
All right, what's the verdict?
Fucked up my clutch.
You what?
I burned the shit out of my
You
clutch.
burned-
It's done for.
What do you mean?
I think I had to get rid of the clutch.
You're lying. You're lying. You're lying. It's done?
It's not catching.
Are you serious?
It's barely catching, bro.
Oh. Wait, did you win though the race?
No, definitely.
No. Yo, I think he burnt the clutch. Yo, dude, he burnt it. Good stuff though. Good stuff. You can literally smell the smoke.
It smells, bro.
Oh man.
It smells good.
Love the good smell of burnt clutch. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. As you've seen, we failed on the whistle thing, but the race was pretty much
Every other thing we freaking.
pretty much. But the race was the highlight of the video. Benny burnt his clutch. It's done for. My boy took the dub today. You have a speech for the fans?
Not really.
Not really? Humble.
Don't worry.
Okay. Humble guy. But thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to drop a like if you guys like the race. We have way more races that we got lined up, more beater runs. But make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And always remember to stay reckless. Peace.